Hello, and welcome to episode 5 of Rider Unpaid, The Food Was Homemade, the show that teaches you how to cook all of the takeaway classics that we love in Great Britain and saves you a small fortune from not having to pay God knows who to cook it and deliver it. You know what I mean. Anyway, let's get cracking with today's episode. Beef Karahi. Step 1. In a deep pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil over a medium heat. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and stir until they begin to splutter. Step 2. The beef. Add and sauté 700 grams of diced beef in the pan for around 5 minutes until it changes colour and starts browning. Make sure to stir regularly and add more oil if needed. Step 3. The aromatics. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now give that a good mix in the pan for around 30 seconds. Step 4. The tomatoes. Add 3 medium tomatoes, finely chopped, or 400 grams of tinned, chopped tomatoes. I use tinned, chopped tomatoes because sometimes I'm lazy like that. Step 5. Time for some spice. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give that a good mix, and then continue to cook on medium heat until the tomatoes soften, stirring occasionally. Step 6. Time to simmer. Reduce the heat to low, and then add 1/2 cup of water, cover, and continue to cook for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the beef is tender. Stove heat varies, so I can't give you exact times here. Just keep testing the tenderness throughout this time frame by having a cheeky sample of the beef. You will need to stir occasionally and add additional splashes of water throughout this part of the recipe, based on whether the sauce is getting too thick before the meat is tender. I added an extra 3/4 of a cup of water during this part, about 1/4 of a cup of water at a time. Once the beef is tender and the gravy is thickening, add and stir in 2 finger chillies sliced down the middle, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now increase the heat to high for around 5 minutes until the sauce is thick and clings to the beef. For serving, place a ramekin upside down in a bowl and fill the bowl with boiled rice, patting it down firmly. Next, place a plate on top of the bowl and flip it upside down. Carefully remove the bowl and then remove the ramekin. This leaves a nice little bowl made of rice. Now, fill the rice bowl with as much of the beef karahi as you can fit in there, patting it down gently. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander. Serve with 2 onion bhaji, 1 of the finger chillies, and some mint yogurt dip. Step 7. Sniff, taste, or pose for a selfie with it and show it off on your social media platforms. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. It's free!